London, England has been hit by a series of torrential downpours over the past week, leading to widespread flooding in low-lying areas. The unexpected deluge has caused significant disruption to transportation, businesses, and schools. London has been submerged in a historic storm, with record-breaking rainfall plunging the city into a watery abyss. Experts suggest that this extreme weather event may be linked to global climate change. The changing climate has increased the frequency and intensity of extreme weather phenomena. This has had significant consequences for people's lives, particularly in transportation and the economy. The London government has swiftly implemented emergency response measures to address the severe flooding. Rescue teams have been deployed to affected areas to carry out relief efforts, while providing temporary shelter and essential supplies to residents. Additionally, the government is considering long-term solutions to improve the drainage system and mitigate the risks of future natural disasters. The floods and storms in London serve as a stark reminder of the importance of environmental protection and disaster preparedness. Let's work together to protect our planet for a more sustainable and secure future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Goodbye and see you next video.